Hello everyone! Welcome to another edition of My Kitchen Addiction, and today we are going to make a potato salad. And while I'm boiling my potatoes, I'm preparing my ingredients, and we have carrots, bell peppers. I choose red bell peppers so that makulay siya. Then we have pickles, and you can see all the ingredients I put in the screen above, and you can screenshot it later so that it's easy for you to remember all the ingredients that I need to use in today's vlog. So while I'm cutting my ingredients, bibigyan ko kayo ng konting history ng ating potato salad, kung bakit siya create or kung saan talaga siya nag-originate. So potato salad is widely believed to have been originated in Germany, spreading largely throughout Europe, the United States, and later in Asia. American potato salad most likely originated from recipes brought to the US and by way of German and other European immigrants during the 19th century. Ayan, so ibig sabihin yung potato salad pala nag-originate talaga siya. Most of the people believe that it was really originated from Germany at napunta na lang siya sa United States due to immigrants yung transfer during the 19th century. And then yung ating ingredients pala, yung mga potatoes, tas yung potato, ikakat natin siya, o pagluto na siya, ikakat natin ng pa-cubes. Wag naman masyado maliliit kasi madudurog yan siya kapag minix na natin. So yung prepare ko na siya prior to mixing yung ating ingredients, yung pickles natin na cucumber, dahil wala tayong pickled the relish dito, so we have homemade pickles that I cut into cubes, and then maliliit na cubes para hindi naman siya mahirap nguyain pag kinahain na natin. And then yung ating fresh na carrots, kinat ko din siya ng pa-cubes na maliliit. Tapos yung ating onion, cubes din siya na maliliit. And then yung bibigyan ko ng konting alaman about sa health benefits na mabibigay sa atin ng potatoes habang nagkakatay ng ating ibang ingredients, okay? So, potatoes are actually rich in vitamin C. Yan! Mayaman daw siya sa vitamin C. Parang ano pala siya? Parang citrus fruits na mayaman sa vitamin C. And then, because vitamin C is rich in antioxidant, so potatoes were a life-saving source in early times because vitamin C prevent scurvy. Yan yung scurvy, yung isang klaseng sakit yun siya. And then another nutrient in potatoes is potassium, an electrolyte which aids in working of our heart. Nag-aid na siya electrolyte helps aids in working of our heart, muscles, and nervous system. Ayan. So, medyo nabubulan na si host natin. So, I hope you understand. Nagtatry hard lang si host natin, guys. So, minash na pala natin yung egg white pala, kinat ko siya ng pa-cubes sa maliliit. Tapos yung gagawa tayo ng sauce ngayon. So yung egg yellow niya, minash ko ng pinong-pino. Hindi naman siya masyadong pino. Kasi yung egg yellow kasi ano lang naman yan siya, malambot. So mamaya, magmamash lang siya yan pag biniksan natin yung ating sauce na mixture. Kaya nilagyan ko na siya ng at least siguro mga 4 na tablespoon ng mayonnaise. Tapos lalagyan natin ng Greek yogurt. Kapag wala kayong Greek yogurt, yung plain na yogurt is okay na yan. Tapos pag hindi naman kayo, optional lang pala yung yogurt natin. Kapag wala kayong available na yogurt, pwede lang naman yung mayonnaise na lang yung ilagay natin. So, nilagyan ko din siya ng mga, siguro ng mga isang kutsarang, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Kapag wala kayong Dijon mustard, yellow mustard, or kahit anong klaseng mustard is okay. But I use Dijon mustard kasi yun ang pinaka-available sa pantry namin ngayon. And then I put some salt to taste. Ayan, kayo na po yung bahala mag-estimate ng salt na ilalagay nyo for as long as hindi siya salty. Okay? So, I also put some black pepper. And then, i-mix-mix na lang po natin siya hanggang sa ma-incorporate yung ating sauce na ilalagay sa ating potato salad. Ayan. Ayan na yung ating potato na naka-prepare. So, i-mix na lang natin. Kinat ko pala siya ng pa-cubes. At saka yung mga ingredients na kinat natin kanina ng pa-cubes na maliliit. I-mix lang po natin siya lahat sa ating mixing bowl. Ayan. Tsaka yung egg white na kinat ko rin ng pa-cubes na maliliit. Haluin na lang po natin siya lahat ng mga ingredients. Tapos ilagay natin yung ating sauce na prepare. Ayan. So, gently na yun po yung paghalo natin because, potatoes are soft already. So, we only need to mix it gently para hindi siya madurog yung mga ingredients natin. Pero yung mga maliliit na ingredients na yan, it's okay. Kasi hindi naman, they were all fresh. So, we don't need to worry about them. We only need to worry about the potatoes kasi it's not good if our potatoes are too mashed. Okay lang yan. Kasi it's good that pag kinakain natin, medyo may kakainin pa tayong medyo crunchy. Yan. So, tapos na yung ating potato salad ala my kitchen addiction. Ayan. Maraming salamat pala sa lahat ng sumusubaybay sa aking channel. At sana wag po kayong magsawa na pabalik-balik sa aking munting channel. At paki-click na lang po yung comment at subscribe button. Baka naman. At maraming salamat po sa inyo. Maraming salamat pala sa Team Copenmates at Team Ayuda at sa Team Baldado sa laging sumusubaybay sa aking mga videos. At sana wag kayong magsawa. Maraming salamat. Bye!